In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add a voiceover to your Canva presentation step by step. A voiceover can completely elevate your presentation by making it more engaging, personalized, and professional. Whether you're creating a business pitch, an educational slideshow, or a social media presentation, this simple feature can make a big difference. Let's get started. First, open your Canva project where your presentation slides are ready. Once inside, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find all your creative tools such as templates, elements, text, and more. For this process, click on the Uploads tab. This section allows you to import different media types like images, videos, and most importantly, audio files directly into your Canva workspace. Next, click on the Upload Files button. This will open your computer's file browser. From here, locate the voice recording or audio narration you've prepared for your presentation, select the file and click Open. It's best to keep your audio file easily accessible. For instance, save it on your desktop or in a specific project folder before starting. So this step is quick and smooth. After the upload is complete, your file will appear under the audio section within the Uploads tab. Canva neatly organizes all uploaded sound files here, making it easy to find what you've just added. Now it's time to place your voiceover into the presentation. To do this, simply drag and drop your uploaded audio file onto the slide you want it to play on. Once dropped, Canva will automatically attach the audio to your presentation slide, and you'll see it appear in the timeline area at the bottom of your screen. You can adjust when the audio starts, trim its length, or even fade it in or out for a smoother experience. If you want to add different voiceovers for multiple slides, just repeat the same process for each one. You can upload several audio clips and assign them individually to various slides depending on your narration plan. And that's it. You've successfully added a voiceover to your Canva presentation. With just a few simple steps, your slides can now include your own narration, making them much more dynamic and impactful. Adding voice to your visuals helps you guide your audience's attention, explain key points more effectively, and deliver a presentation that feels polished and professional. Before wrapping up, make sure to preview your project to ensure your audio syncs perfectly with your slides. Once you're happy with everything, go ahead and download or share your finished presentation. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helped you add that extra layer of creativity to your Canva designs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Canva tips. And as always, happy designing.